Well, we're checking out the Tucson RV show. We're going to the Saguaro National Park on the east side. Well, we're checking out the Tucson RV show today. And looking at some Winnebagos right here. These are the used RVs. So if we see anything good, we'll give you a peek. What is it? What kind is it? Quest. We're not really into these bench seats, but if I had to have one, I like the loop one. And we're not into an open bedroom because then we have cats that we can't shut out. Someday we might get something like this, has a bed up above. I like the refrigerator because you can stand up and get in it. Got this weird bed you get into. So it's really just a van size, but it has a slide out for $109,998. This is what I really want. A Super C truck with the Freightliners, 2 slides. Oh, look at these steps.
I know.
Oh, super nice. But you're getting up to 300,000 on these suckers. Oh man. 277, 63. Oh, induction burner. Oh, Sue is sold on this fridge. And then here's your sinks. We love those slide out. This is cool.
Look at. I don't hold it.
Oh, a dishwasher.
Never.
Look how wide the space is. You could dance in here. Air conditioners have like a wood grain. I like these controls because you got solar. Generator, that's super nice. Here's the washer dryer. I can't believe all this space in here. Crap. There's a bed up there. Look at this great big Garmin. These are always wasted space for us. Over here they have a televator. Nice paint job.
Yeah.
This one's $359. Oh yeah, look at this desk. Super nice. And that's the televator right there. And there's the chairs. There's the... Which in a Super C, your driving area doesn't really become part of your living room. Controls. It's got solar. Got all the tanks. Lights. Temperatures. Nice big microwave.
Yes.
Gas stove, which we like.
Good.
And you got double stainless steel sink. 2 bathrooms. That'd be the cat's bathroom with the litter box. Giant bed. A ceiling fan. We would love that. Got the second bathroom.
And that's got the
Huge shower.
washer and
The washer and dryer. Bathroom sink. Medicine cabinet. It's a little close to the wall. Here's the closet. Nice, huge fridge. I really like this. Yeah, because then I could eat there. And then only problem with your computer screen is it would sit right here up and then it'd be in the way of the TV. Got an outside TV. And look at this engine. Cool. It's on sale. $273. This is a Valencia. This one doesn't have such a big step down into the driver's seat. It has better seats too. Oh, look at these.
Yeah.
Nice little TVs up here. Kind of small.
gas.
Oh, nice. Gas. And then a nice refrigerator. Oh, washer dryer. But we never like these dinettes. I just feel like that's a waste of space.
Yeah.
Oh, bunkhouse. Yeah, this one's really straight looking there where the other one was flat.
It's only $250.
This was an option for the future. It's a fifth wheel. We're thinking you'd just park it up in Michigan. Be our summer house. 148. Got metal steps. Yeah. Double wide fridge. Nice stove. Got an island here. Oh, and I like the chairs and the table. Yeah, we hate those booths. Look at that.
There's your patio.
Oh, this is one of those for
Oh, there's
the.
another bathroom out here.
Yeah, this is one of those where you can have
Big TV.
chairs or beds that come down, and then you got your pad screen door, and then you got a TV up there, another bathroom. Yeah. Really nice kitchen though, real pretty cabinets. And you go up some steps here. There's all the controls. There's the bathroom. The sink. Cabinet.
Yeah.
TV.
Bathroom is just
There's another fifth wheel we're going to check out. It's a Vanley Beacon. $124,927. Uh-oh. Window trim's falling out. Don't worry about that. You covered under warranty. Nice solid stairs. Deluxe, man. Oh, look at this place. Look at this kitchen. That is beautiful. Man. This is weird. Got the living room up in the top. And my mom's, the bedroom was up here. Got a fireplace with the televator TV that comes up out of here. Otherwise, you have just a big window, which is kind of cool. And super nice furniture. Boy, look at this. You got seating for at least 6, if not 8, if you fit more people on the couch. This would be really super nice. Living in the lap of luck. I could live in this, especially if you had it as your main house up in Michigan. Wow. And here's the bathroom. Oh, that's kind of interesting wood cabinet.
Yeah, double sink.
We were very impressed. Got a dinosaur at the RV show. 204-998. In the picture. Nice big window. Got a big Garmin. Yeah, I'm glad you thought about it. And then this is, I don't really like this.
No.
Here's your double sink. Microwave. It's kind of small. It's got an induction and. But when you're sitting here, you can't really see out any windows.
Ooh. Oh, it's a foldable bed. Yeah, I'm not too sold on this one.
This one's 209 diesel, 39
Go
foot.
in.
We're not really into these walkways that go past the driver's seat or the shiny tile floors.
Yeah. Wow.
There's the driver's console. This couch slides out to where it gives a wraparound. Nice easy chair, but when you're in the easy chair, you don't see the TV very good. Kitchenette, we like this kind of dining. Yeah, look at all that counter space. Double refrigerator, like the freezer on the bottom. Come in the bathroom, got 2 sinks, nice shower.
Beautiful.
Then you walk right into the bedroom. This is a trip hazard, this
Yep.
step.
Absolutely.
Washer dryer. There's the TV.
An odd place for the TV and
Very spacious though.
maybe there too.
And a TV up above. This is why it was so wide inside. Look at those slide outs. Holy cow. It's a beautiful rig. A TV on the outside. Got the footrest there. Huge TV. Fireplace. This one's $500,000. $500,000. You'd have to be serious. Buy this. Has a strange odor in it. Dishwasher. Big microwave. It looks like our microwave. Wow. That's
I can't
ridiculous.
even afford that in my house.
Double sink.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't mind this area. It's got the fireplace in here.
Toilet. Ooh, shower's all tile. We love ceiling fans.
So what's this?
Ah,
Yeah, look at
the washer and dryer's in there.
yeah. Yeah, that's just too much.
TV.
You turn this around, then you go to
Oh,
coffee.
incredible.
Got a ton of vans in here. And these are the sequences like we used to have, just right there. That's just like what we used to have. We traveled all around the country in that little baby. They're in the 80s, but they're on that Ram chassis, which is as bumpy as all get out. 185. I think this is four-wheel drive because look how high it sits.
Mercedes.
I know. Oh, and a nice screen door. Look at that. Not like our chintzy one where the cat escaped. These refrigerators down low are a nightmare. Got the bed back here with the TV. It's tight. And the bathroom shower. Nice seats. I dream of this style, but I don't like that double extra seat in there. And the tiny fridge that you have to get down on. There's the bathroom. Got the kitchen sink. There's Susie in the back. That's kind of cool. You could open that up and have a nice big view. Beautiful cab. Look how nice the front is. That's beautiful. You can go boondocking in this baby. Look at those. Extra high bumper and highlight headlights. More lights up above. That is sweet. Look at those big tires. Man. That is one cool. Guess you can hook anything you want on there. I know you can hook all kinds of racks. And then look at this gigantic storage space under here. Holy cow. Put your bike, all kinds of stuff. There's the ladder. That is a beautiful rig.
Solar. What's that?
Man. So I got all these Integras. I mean, all these Endeavors, Discoveries. Great big diesels, and then over here have the gas ones, and these are more our price. Well, we had fun checking out this RV show. I didn't see anything that we would trade our RV for. Yeah, the fifth wheel would be super nice if we decided to stay in that up in Michigan, and we're gonna stick with what we got. All right, we're going to the Saguaro National Park on the east side of So way up there is where we drove up to Mount Lemmon. That on video. We like the west side better. So if you come to Tucson and you're trying to choose, do I go to the East Saguaro Park or the West Saguaro Park? We recommend the West. The cactus are just a lot closer and more dense, and seems like they're taller over there. This has got some nice views.